Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational function and vertical asymptote. Let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals 15. Which of the following could be an expression for f of x? Rational functions are in the format of a over b, right? We have numerator and the denominators. And if you're talking about a vertical asymptote, vertical asymptotes are all related to denominator. And if vertical asymptote is at x equals 15, which means that in the denominator, we must have x minus 15, because when I solve x minus 15 for 0 to find its vertical asymptote, and I'm going to add 15 to both sides, then x becomes 15. So we must have x minus 15 in the denominator given choices. With this logic, if you will go ahead and eliminate the choices. Choice A, x minus 15, yes, and x minus 3s are canceling each other out. Final version of the rational function becomes x plus 1 over x minus 15, which is the correct answer then. In the choice B, we don't have x minus 15 in the denominator. We go ahead and eliminate the choice B. Same thing happens with the choice C. We don't have x minus 15 in it. In the choice D, we don't have x minus 15. We have x plus 15, but it has nothing to do with x minus 15. So then the correct answers for the specific questions, again, choice A. This is how you solve this type of questions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.